there everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Manningtree on the Great Eastern Main Line. The date today is Thursday the 13th of August 2020. The time is 20 to 3 in the afternoon. I'm on platform 2, I think. Down the line towards Harwich, and then Ipswich and Norwich, and then up the line to Colchester, and then London, Liverpool Street. We'll be seeing services from Greater Anglia and hopefully some freight. In my last video, part 1, I saw 2 intermodal freights and a pair of Freightliner electric loco things. Yeah. So let's see what we'll get. We finally have a train! Oh my goodness, that took a long time. But there it is, it's from Harwich. And I believe it's a class 360. And yes, I did forget that this platform was a platform. Oh, we've had another tipper truck over the crossing. We have 755 to Liverpool Street, and this will take an hour to get there. Oh, this is 007, this is the one Jeff took. In his video. Huh. That's funny, isn't it? I was just talking about that, Jeff. Right, let's see those photos. That is cool, that footplate thing. I do approve. There we go, I caught it whilst there was a fly on me. Oh gosh. Can you believe it? Goodbye, Jeff Train. Jeff. Not Greater Anglia. Pantograph. Going really tall for the crossing. Very nice. There, the Harwich Town train goes. And more thunder, if you can hear it. These trains don't even have air conditioning, because I've been in one, unfortunately, so that's... very nice. That train's not hanging around. Pew 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 pew. Didn't catch the number on this one because I was having my chocolate bar. I can't eat my chocolate bar and zoom at the same time. There you go. Goodbye. Oh, 108. Now these are 12-car trains, and like the SWR ones, they're huge. They are unfathomably large. I mean, you know, you can't see the end. I'm now in the departure lounge and departing. We have this Stansted Express Greater Anglia 755 going to Norwich. So it's a bit of a shame that we haven't seen any freight, but we have had a good time here. But you know, well, we saw that loco over there, but I did want to see some freight and I didn't. So thank you very much for watching, and remember to stay alert. Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.